These women will not respect you if you are giving them too much attention. Withdraw your attention from them. When a guy is too needy, when a guy proves that he's desperate for a woman, she will lose respect for him, and desperation kills attraction. And that's the truth. When you are too desperate for a lady, the attraction will even die. And when the attraction is no longer there, the respect is gone. So as a guy, no, don't be too desperate for a lady. No, some of you chat these ladies on WhatsApp. One time they read it, they don't respond. You chat them like 5 hours later, they read it, they don't respond. The next day in the morning, you chat them, they don't respond. My dear brother, withdraw your attention. Women know what they are doing. Women are not children. They are adults. They know what they are doing. So this is maybe she may be busy. She is not busy. She doesn't just rate you. She doesn't like you. And there's nothing wrong if a lady doesn't like you. But once you just sense it that she doesn't like you, withdraw your attention, abort the mission. Don't bother trying to please her. She will change her mind. Some guys still have this mindset that you can make a lady to like you. My dear brother, if she doesn't like you, she doesn't like you. But some of you even go instead of giving her money, you want to do this, take her out, buy clothes for her, buy phone for her. My dear brother, it's your money she likes, and what the money can buy that she likes. Once the money is no longer there, she's out the door. Women don't negotiate it. They don't like you or they don't like you. So as a man, you must learn to withdraw your attention from a lady. You must learn to withdraw attention from a lady, because when you give too much attention, it's like you are disgracing yourself in front of, and many times they'll be using you as jokes within their friends. As a man, if you see when women are talking about foolish men, about them, Sims, you want to cry. Oh, see that Mumu guy that likes me. I told him to send me 200k. It was 100k he sent me. What do I want to do with 100k? And oh, my dear brother, if you see women when they are denigrating Sims, when they are pulverizing foolish men, weak men that worship women, you want to cry. You feel pity for such men. This is why we tell men, don't chase a lady. Tell her that I like her. If she's not feeling you, let it go. Women they are not children. They are adults. They know what they are doing. Withdraw your attention from them. Go for a lady that likes you. Some ladies are very mature. Once they don't like you, they tell you straight. They don't bother, playing the you chase me, hard to get. This. They are mature. They don't say that I don't like you. They just see you as normal guy. No, let's just talk. Maybe later they can now like you, but they are sincere to you from the outset, from the beginning. Thank you for watching this video. See you on the next video. Like this video, comment on this video, and subscribe to this channel. Bye.